till now we were seeing about vectors. Now we will see matrices. So previously in the vector, like we have row vector and column vector, they will be like either uh, column will be one or row will be one, right? So either one of the row or column has to be one. I want to say something else vector, but here matrices it will be m cross n, m cross n. So m rows and n columns. Usually columns are separated by semicolon. This actually we had seen while defining actually the vectors, right? The column vector. So here this will define like this example actually will create 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In this way it will create a 2 cross 3 matrix, right? So quickly let's see in the software how it will work. A equals to 1, 2, 3. See, actually, one more thing. Here you can skip the comma. Comma is always not necessary. So next line is basically if I want to separate the row, I mean in the next if I want to put that in next column, next row, then it has to be 5, 6, and like separated by semicolon. You see, it is like created 2 cross 3 matrix. Okay.